Hey, what's up? Hello. Welcome to another video. I made this little intro so I won't forget no more. A-O-Y-E, let's go. It's a family first show. And if you vibe with my eating show, hit that like before you go. Drop a comment down below. Join the fam so we could grow. Hey, what's good, y'all? Welcome to the channel. I'm Duz Holly, and we are back with another video. Y'all already know how we do it when we do it. Let's get into it. Nice and slow. Nice and slow. Nice and slow. Alright, y'all. So, I ain't gonna front. I'm hungry. I'm ready to get to it. So I'm gonna dive in and then we're gonna talk a little bit, but y'all know how it go. I might end up just going and rambling. But check out the spread. Alright, y'all gonna hear the fam in the background because the fam is here, and to be honest with y'all, I love it that way. Ooh, it's gonna be a little difficult. I'm so hungry. Y'all gotta give me a minute. It's like the first real thing I ate all day. So, and it's everything. It's like everything that's great, that's good. I'm gonna let y'all know what I got in a minute. Oh my goodness. Can't get my hand too dirty. So I ain't trying to eat too sloppy. You feel me? But this is everything, y'all. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm gonna go in. First few minutes is just gonna be me going in, y'all. Oh. I initially wanted this to be the no licking your fingers challenge by Chi Chi Eats. This is good. Baby must be watching my video that I posted earlier, guys. Oh my goodness. I gotta get it together. I'm so hungry right now. But it is Vlogmas, guys. It is Vlogmas. It is day 3. And I am trying to play catch up. I'm so hungry. I'm not gonna be here long because it's actually day 3. Like day 3, December 3rd. Trying to make sure I don't get this dirty, man. Oh my. What's my time? 6 minutes? Okay. I'm starving, boy. Mm. Mm. Oh my god. Mm. There's so much going on YouTube right now. Like, it's really lit. There's a lot going on. Mad challenges, all that. Like, I'm a little behind. Mm. Mm. I was under the weather. And then, from that, life just being life, like, doing what it do. You feel me? So, fam, y'all gonna have to excuse me, yo. I'm just getting straight to it. I'm starving, like, and these muscles, everything is hitting right now. I got a lemon up in here soaking. Faith outside the door being rude. Where my muscle go, sir? Oh, shit. Oh my goodness. So I got regular butter sauce. You feel me? Little this, little that up in it. But if y'all don't know, which I'm pretty sure y'all do know, like I said, it's a lot going on. Beloved sauce just went back on sale, just sold out again. And the crazy part is I had already pre-ordered it, and I was supposed to get it like on the 18th. Which was cool because, you know, it was in time for Christmas. But I guess they restocked, so I've never eaten with a broken hand. I've never had a broken bone in my body before. Like, this is crazy. And so I'm trying not to get it dirty. Yeah, definitely trying not to get it dirty. I ain't really trying to eat with this hand. But yeah. So yeah, sauce. Just as soon as they yeah, I guess but yeah, I got an email from Amazon like your order's shipping out, like it's on the way. So I'm like, wait, B, wait. I'm gonna let y'all know why I'm excited about that. Like, I was already excited because I'm like, cool, I'm making it before Christmas, so you know what I'm saying, I could do a little something. But now I'm like, in a couple weeks I'm supposed to be going home to Chicago, visit the family, and so I'll get it in time before I actually leave. So I'm extra hyped because now I could actually sit down with the whole family, fix the sauce up and everything, and let them taste it for the first time. And it's going to be an experience, y'all. It's going to be lit. Damn, I miss y'all, yo. And I feel like there's so much I want to talk about, but I don't want to rush it. I don't want to rush it. I feel like I got 25 days, you feel me? 25 days with the fam. So, I'm going to take my time with it, nice and slow. Y'all know how we go. This is really hard for me not to eat messy, y'all. I'm about to get to him, y'all. I'm about to get to him. I said, I don't know if I played myself trying to eat these with no hands. Like, oh my goodness. It's a little difficult. Come on now. Come on. Nice and slow. Yeah. Ooh. Oh, there we go. There we go. I just needed a little help. It's stuck on something. What the hell? I know. No, that's not what we're gonna do. You are not gonna come out like that. No, you're not. Get it together. There you go. That joint almost had me messed up. Look, I didn't start dipping all that. Yeah, it got me upset. Had nerve to have fat on you. Give me all that little. All that struggle. Had nerve to have something I can't eat on me. These type small, but woo. Come on now, this gonna get messy. I see it already. Babe,
I'm coming.
can you bring me a fork?
Okay.
Thank you. And the scissors. I ain't got time to play. I gotta get this video out to y'all, you feel me? But yeah, y'all. There's so much going on. Oh, I don't like the way that looks. We got scissors.
Yes.
Can I have some, please? What is this? That was good, whatever that was. Ooh, am I tripping? No. Alright. Oh my goodness. It's literally so much to talk about. I'm on a time frame. Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
Oh. Yeah.
Oh, I thought they were cut open.
They are, but it's still a little difficult for me to maneuver with it, but this fork gonna help out a lot.
Oh, let me get that little piece right there.
Yeah, alright.
It smells like cucumbers in here.
It do?
Yeah.
What cucumber smell like?
Like cucumber melon, baby. I'll see you later, right?
Okay, I'll be done soon.
Alright, meet me in room 112.
112?
Yeah.
You can get it right.
Yes, meet me in room 112.
You already know. This is good, y'all. We're gonna keep watching the video. Baby, I can hear that.
Sorry.
Mm. Mm. You know what? I ain't gonna even go in like that. I got another one left. Yeah. Question. Do any of you guys have like mukbang, mukbangers, mukbang? You do any of y'all have any mukbangers or mukbang like pet peeves like that people do when they eat? Like I have certain things that draw me to a channel. Mm. Mm. Yeah. That's what you're not gonna do. You're just not gonna explode everywhere. Nice and slow. Yeah. Oh my goodness. I'm getting full now. Which is good. I'm satisfied. Completely satisfied. I don't eat this white stuff. I know y'all like, why you put that in my face? Oh my goodness, I ain't even offer y'all a bite. I just went in. Like I told you, I ain't eat all day, y'all. I am type tired, but I am definitely committed to this, y'all. I'm committed to getting and going straight through Vlogmas. Once I finish with this, doing a couple of edits and right out to y'all. It's like probably a little bit after 10 o'clock. So I literally got like 30 minutes to look this over, put up a background, and make sure it's being uploaded with no issues to YouTube by 11:59. So I'm about to get ready. And yeah, do that. I feel like itis kicking in. It's been a minute. But it's definitely been a pleasure. Like, this was great. This was everything. Everything. I probably should have hooked up my mic. But as y'all can see, my little mobility right now is limited. We're gonna get into all that. We're gonna get into all that. Oh, should I try it? Oh, I don't know. I want some. Oh, let me get all this meat out of here. Yep. I had put these in the oven. I want some mussels. Oh, come on. 20 minutes. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I am exhausted, for real, for real. I'm hoping everybody had a dope Thanksgiving. You feel me? I enjoyed mine. Did a little bit of shopping, did a little bit of cooking, did a lot of eating. So I'm honestly looking forward to Christmas. I'm just looking forward, like I said, to all of December. I'm looking forward to New Year's. I'm looking forward. I'm looking forward to a lot of things. You guys drop some of your New Year's resolutions down below. I think I'm about done, honestly. I mean, I ain't smash it. I ain't smash it, because I still got some things left, but... I think I did a pretty alright job, though, y'all. Oh my God, what was that? Yeah, I want that, because I don't. You got it. I was supposed to give y'all a bite. Oh my goodness, fam. My bad, y'all. It's been a minute, but I got y'all. Don't trip, don't trip. Light up. Enjoy. Hell no. I can't do it. That was everything. I definitely just smashed. That was good. That was everything, y'all. Thanks for pulling up. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. That was everything. Ooh. Yeah. That was everything. I'm stuffed, definitely. Like I said, y'all, I gotta get this video edited and out to you guys. Quick little mukbang. I didn't even really get to talk about everything I wanted to talk about, or anything really, but that's alright though, because there's more to come. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video. Day 4 is on the Wizzy way. See y'all there.
Nah, you gotta make that shit happen.